Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, we want to say we are coming with a Jamaican coconut oil from Chef Ricardo. I will make it very soon, and I'm gonna do it from scratch to show you, and I'm gonna do it in so many different ways where you can make it Jamaican coconut oil at home in your kitchen. Very easy and simple, and I know the fans them will love it. So guys, if you have any idea where you want to ask me about the Jamaican coconut, you know what I mean, as I said, Jamaican coconut is nuts, and if you're allergic to certain nuts, please, you can't have coconut. Alright, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more tips and ideas and recipe gonna be coming for you, and definitely we will make a lot of the coconut oil available that you can make it in different sections and different ways at home. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We are there for you. Look out for the coconut oil from Chef Ricardo. Jamaican coconut oil, original one. Don't go anywhere.